ngisebenzisa lokhu ngicabanga lokhu trackpad kwe-laptop. So nje ngiyothenga enye imasi kusasa. Okay. So ngiqale la ngachaza ngathi mina uGit. So iklasi la-Monday khohlwa yilo kancane, right? Git ngizothi mina version control. Ngenza umsebenzi wakho kodwa njengomfundi ukuthi ezinye izinto kumele ukwazi ukuyoyigugulisha ukuthi mengithi version control ngisuke ngithi kuyini leyo nto leyo. So version control is the practice of tracking, managing and safeguarding changes to files over time, particularly in software development, to enable collaboration, prevent data loss, and allow for the restoration of previous versions. Ngezwakala?
Yes.
Yes. So mengikhuluma nge-version control ilokho ebengikuchaza ngithe ifile yakho usuke uzokwazi ukucollaborate nabanye ukuthi nisebenze kuma-files awodwa nibe baningi. Ifile noma ungayideleta ngokuba uwenze i-version control, ifile yakho uzokwazi ukuyi-recover. Futhi uyakwazi ukuthi mekuthi ifile yakho kunoshintsho olenzile namuhla ukwazi ukuthi ucela i-restore to i-version mhlawumbe ake sithi yayizolo obuwazi ukuthi iyasebenza. So onke lama-points ebengiwabala yiwo lawo, right? So a version control system, or VCS, is a software tool that creates snapshots of your projects and stores them in a central repository, right? So kuningi-ke abakushoyo la okuyisilungu. So umsebenzi wami vele njengoba ngenza le klasi, sometimes ngithatha lezi zinto ey'fundiswa ngesilungu ngizoyichaza ngesiZulu njengoba sengizwile kuthiwa futhi ne-math ngathi sifundwa ngesiZulu e-primary school, right? So version control system athi sesifundile ukuthi version control uyini angithi. So but i-system ye-version control ithuluzi le-software. So mekuthiwa software tool kusuke kuchazwa, excuse me, into engizothi i-app noma into esuke ikhodiwe, isuke ibhalwe ngecode ukuthi kulekelele ukuthi yenze something. So for example, browser is a tool, is a software tool for browsing the internet. Snippet lo we're going to copy with screen is a tool to take pictures of a screen. Sublime is a software tool now that allows you to write code. So software tools understand umele in. So that creates a kinda snapshot. I snapshot futhi uma ngizothi into i snapshot kusuke snapshot kufana nokuthi uyashutha, right? So benza shuthi lana igama lingathi liwumfanekiso. So bathatha igama elisho ukushutha in, angithi usukuthatha i-snapshot uma ushutha umuntu shuthi njengoba usuke umshuthile naleyo version le yalo muntu ngaleso sikhathi emile ngalesa sikhathi omama bethu babeshutha bebambe imbali benobaba bebambe imbali une-snapshot, into nje ekunika that point in time. Mengathi mina exactly ngo-12 p.m. 33 minutes 20 seconds 100 milliseconds, you know, ubenzani usibanibani, uyakwazi ukuthi ungikhiphele isithombe omshuthe ngaleso sikhathi uthi nakho ebekwenza or nakho ebeyikho, noma mengithi ubegqokeni uthi wena nazi impahla ebeyigqokile ngoba uthathe i-snapshot. So naleli thuluzi likuyekela ukuthi uthathe i-snapshot yomsebenzi osuke aduwenza. So une-code, uyazi ukuthi izolo ebusuku uyakhumbula ukuthi ibisebenza. Angithi khange kwenzeke njengosisibonisiwe ayikhange ifike ethi ibisebenza lento izolo ngithe ngenza lolu shintsho yavele yangabi isasebenza. So i-software tool le muyisebenzisa ithatha a snapshot ngalesi sikhathi uthi wena sengazi ngenza ushintsho oluthile iyasebenza into yami yenza 1 2 3, thatha a snapshot, right? Masebethi and stores them So snapshots of your projects in this case basho nje ama-file akho e-code and stores them in a central. So central usho indawo emaphakathi ukuthi okay ubeka ndawonye izinto uyiqoqelana ndawonye endaweni eyi-one, repository. So repository ilapho osuke uqoqelana khona i-code yakho, right, or i-project yakho. So bayachaza-ke allowing teams to work simultaneously on the same files without conflict. So ngoba uyayibuza ukuthi mesisebenza kwi-project eyodwa, how do I make sure ukuthi ngikathi uGift enza ushintsho kule file, mhlawumbe u-add ulayini ezansi, mina ngi-add ulayini ngaphezulu, senza kanjani ukuthi lama-files enga-clash, yabo? So mesenza i-software development siyake si-edit ama-files ayi-one for different purposes. Omunye mhlambe phezulu u-add into eshintsha umbala, mina ngezansi ngi-add i-text. Kumele sikwazi ukuthi sisebenze at the same time, ngingalindi aqede angithumelele i-file mase ngiya-edit, kumosha isikhathi lokho. So i-version control system allows us ukuthi sisebenze simultaneously, so ngesikhathi esi-one kuma-files futhi ayi-one ngaphandle kokuthi a-clash noma abe ne-conflict. So I think nje ngicela ukuqala la understanding le concept le of i-version control before ngifike kwi-tools. So ngicela ukucheck-a la wonke umuntu sisesithombeni esifanayo.
Yebo, siyakhona sir.
Yes. So okay, usuyazi ukuthi iyini i-version control, ibaluleke ngani, ikusizaphi ngale nkathi wenza i-software development. Right. Sengiyilanda emuva lento, I'm sure manje sekukancane ukuthi umuntu adideke. Okay, so iliphi i-tools engingalisebenzisa ngoba lento ongidayisela yona ngathi imnandi ngempela, izongisiza ukuthi mekuthi ngi-edit i-code nosibanibani edit i-code si-edit isikanye izwakala i-right. So iliphi-ke leli tool uzokhuluma ngalo la elingangisiza? So one of my tools is uGit. One of those tools is Git, right? One of those tools is Git. uGit, okay. uGit, ngifuna ukubona la nisekhona. Nisekhona, angizi-connecte la, okay. uGit is one of those tools, right? So bayasho-ke free open source distributed version control system, yabona. So angithi sifunda ngapha nge-version control, base beyasichazela base bethi kuba ne-version control system. So sengithi mina nali i-tools esiyake silisebenzise for version control ekuthiwa uGit, likhandwe uLinus Torvalds ngo-2005. So it is a modern standard for software development, offering features like local branching, staging areas, efficient management of large projects. Git provides a full history of changes, similar to save points in a game, yabona. So uma kuwukuthi umuntu ubeke udlale i-video game efonini noma kuphi, ukuthi uyahamba kwi-game umuse une-progress ethile ekujabulisayo, uyakwazi ukuyisave leyo progress leyo. So uGit muhle ngokuthi usebenza ngaleyo ndlela, uyakwazi ukuthi uyekelele usave ushintsho noma i-state of i-code yakho at any point in time, right? So uGit umdownloada kanjani noma umsebenzisa kanjani? Uyamdownloada uyi-app, uyamgooglisha, umgooglisha uthola iwebsite yakhe ugit-scm.com, ungene kuye, right? Ujwayele ukuthi uma usungenile endaweni ufundeke, ungasheshi ukuthi yo kuningi, yabona nto leyo. Ungafunda la ukuthi bathini, but into kumele uyinake kakhulu mina nakho engibukayo u-downloads. So GUI clients and binary releases for all major platforms. Uza la ku-downloads, excuse me, i-URL yakhona nayo git-scm.com downloads. Okay, and then kuma-downloads akho la, Windows, iwona esiwufunayo, then you click it, mase bayasho ukuthi click here to download, mase uyaclicka, right? So mina ngike ngadownloada-ke kwi-class lethu la Monday. Ungakhetha ukuthi ufuna ukudownloadela kuphi, usadownloada i-file to i-computer yakho, okay? Athi ngiyenze lento, okay? Save kuma-downloads, i-folder engisave kuyo. Oh, kothatha mhlawumbe isikhathi. Okay, not too long, not too bad. Okay, silinde kancane, almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there. Okay. Yangiphazamisa no? Okay. Check this phone. Okay, so isi-downloadekile i-file, right? So usuyavula la, show in folder, uyaklikha la. So isiyangivulela i-file explorer yami. So i-file le ngiyayibona banibani.exe. Wena uma ungamboni ngachaza ngathi umoya ku-view la, file name extensions. So uyamklikha or yabo, so that you can see the extension. Kade lokho sakwenza sisasebenza ngo-HTML. So ngidownloade manje i-file or ithuluzi lela bathi ugithi ngisalidownloadile. So kumele ngili-unpack phela ukuze i-computer yami ilazi. So lento kuyafana nokuthi ngenze isibonelo, ngenze umzekelo. Uma uzothi kimi, uma ngithi mina penda indlu yakini ngombala obomvu, wena mase ngokuthi uthenge ama-20 liters, ngisho ngawathenga aba-100, uwathatha uwabeka endlini. Uma ngithi mina paint the inside red, uwathatha uwabeka endlini, awukakayipendi indlu, right? So kumele u-install i-software. Siyakwazi lokho kuchaza ukuthini sonke, right? So double click on it. Bazokubuza-ke ukuthi-ke wenza njani, uya-installa noma kanjani, right? Sayilindile-ke, right? Okay, installed. Inkinga kuvele kuthuleke, ngingazi noma nisekhona noma nikho.
Khona sesikhona.
Okay, so namuhla siyacathula, ngiyanicathulisa impela, right? Sengiyam-installa-ke, babuka bani information le, wehle ezansi ufunde. Uma usu-happy, uthi next. Ungashintshi lutho la, but select components, uthi next. Use Sublime Text as Git's default editor. Akunankinga, ungathi next. Let Git decide, ungathi next. Next. Sengibuza kaningi-ke manje. Kodwa nje ungathi next. Isikhathi esiningi alukho ushintsho. Bathi ngithi only show new options. Next. Install, right? Kodwa wena mhlambe kuzohluka. Kodwa nje into ebalekile uyam-installa, bazokubuza into eziningi ungamele lokhu uyihlupha ngazo. Next, uthi install. So manje usuyayi-unpack-a i-software software tool ekuthiwa uGit, so that i-computer yakho izoyazi ukuthi ikhona, ikwazi futhi ukuthi ivumele ukuthi isebenze kwi-computer yakho, such as ukuthi i-storage ama-file or i-manage ama-file, right? So siyilinde. Which is very straightforward. Wonke umuntu la, I hope so far ungaba right ukuthi ungakwenza kwi-computer yakho ngeke uxakeke. Okay, usunaye uGit. right? View release notes, viewer or not, up to you, and then must you finish. Okay, to say corner, you computer. So, valila, okay. So singing amsesha lang ithi git, nangu git bash, git UI. So mina ngizothi git bash. So njengoba bengichazile ukuthi ithuluzi leli. So ithuluzi nethuluzi linendlela yokulisebenzisa. Angiqale lapha. Ithuluzi nethuluzi linendlela yokulisebenzisa. Njengoba obaba uNomandla mebenza iprogram beyifundisa ingane kuthiwa ke fundani nansi i-fork and knife ngoba niye ema-university nizobe nisebenzisa i-fork and knife. Abanye benu abayazi ngoba mhlampe abakaze baba naleyo nhlahla ukuthi umndeni wabo mhlawumbe u-afforde ukubayisa kuma-restaurant. So i-fork and knife bahlezi beyizwa ngendaba noma imfologo ikhona ekhaya kodwa akakwazi ukuyisebenzisa ngendlela baze bathi i-etiquette. So ithuluzi nethuluzi linendlela yokulisebenzisa. Le ndlela yokusebenzisa lelo thuluzi, ithuluzi nethuluzi kumele uyifunde indlela yokulisebenzisa, right? So akungakuthusi uma ungibona ngisebenzisa ithuluzi uthi we lento lena kanjani njani, nami ithuluzi engalifunda ukuthi lisetshenziswa kanjani. Nami lafika liyinto entsha kumina engangazi ukuthi ngizoliqala ngaphi kodwa ngalifunda, right? So sise lapho uma uvulile kuGit, uGit kakhulukazi uma usebenza ngaye usebenza from the command line. So command line shuthi per line you write a command. So ama command lapho ngachaza ngathi uyawafunda. Ngenze isibonelo. Command line is a tool esetshenziswa uGit, right? Ngathi enye example ye command ls. U-ls kumele ulist ukuthi uyakulistela yonke into esuke ikule folder okuyona, right? Ubona kanjani ukuthi ukuphi folder? There's another command engizoyibhala in the line so lana manje ke abantu ababoni ngizo maximize la right. So ubona kanjani ifolder kuyona? Ngakufundisa ngathi khona enye command ekuthiwa upwd yakhombisa ifolder c users scum, right? Phinde ngithi ls ngiyawabona onke ama-folder ala kwi-home folder. So isikhathi esiningi uma uvula i-command line tool allow ukuthi it opens up most of the time from your home folder. I-home folder kusho ukuthi i-folder esuke iqondene nawe wena muntu ologe in kwi-computer. So yonke into isikhathi esiningi i-relative to i-home folder, right? So ngifundisa ama-command ayi-2 ngathi pwd, ngakufundisa enye i-command ngathi ls, right? Pwd ngathi uyakutshengisa ifolder osuke kuyona, so uyakhombisa ukuthi la c, so this is my drive, hard drive wami, the physical hard drive. Users, so i-list yama-users ami, and then usikhumbuzo iyona user engisebenza ngayo. So for example mengingathi mina ungagxili kakhulu la mengithi angithi kanje futhi mengiza la ngiya la ku-C, angithi sithe sifuna u-C, nangu C. Mengibuka ku-C nayi folder kuthiwa users. Mengingena kwi-folder kuthiwa users, ngiku-inside bani usikhumbu because ngiloge in as usikhumbuzo kwi-Windows yami. Okusho ukuthi i-command line yami nkathi ivuleke relative to i-folder le ekuyi-home folder yami. Shuthi noma yini mengithi mina ngicela ucinga ifile ethile kule folder izobibuka kule folder engikuyona. Okay, so okay, pwd ngiyabona ifolder engikuyona, u-ls ungilistela ama-files nama-folders akule folder engikuyona. So njengoba la u-ls uthi uyafana nokuthi ngize la, yabo nje ngathi ngiklikha la ngithi Windows, ngim-expandile, ngenkathi ngithi ngiklikha la mina u-users mase kuvelela ama-folder kuyafana nokuthi ngithe ls. So umehluko ukuthi sengisebenzisa i-command line rather than a nice visual tool njenge-file explorer, right? Ukumutha la ubaba uNomandla, right? So okay, hope ukuthi lokho kuyezwakala. So ngimvulile uGit uvula command line interface into osuke usebenzisana nayo, right? Usuke uyibuka, uya interface nayo, ufaka ama-input, ikunika ama-output, khona uyinika khona ikunike something back. So i-command line interface mese ivulile, ngakutshela ukuthi kuba nama-commands okuyiwona owasebenzisayo ucommunicator ne-command line interface as a tool, right? Enye yama-commands u-cd. Asikakakhulumi ngoGit. uGit usebenza through i-command line interface, so ingakho uma umvula avule i-command line interface for wena, and then wena kumele wazi ama-commands kaGit ukuze uwasebenzise kwi-command line interface. Anganoma uyazwakala lento engishoyo. Fana nokuthi ngithi mina ngifuna ukudrive imoto le, noma ngithi ngifuna ukufundisa imoto. Before ngifundisa imoto, right, ukuyidrive, ngizoqala mhlambe ngiyokufaka emgwaqeni, right? Ukuze imoto ikwazi ukusebenza kumele ibe semgwaqeni. Ngeke nguyeke uyikhiphe egarage, awukakwazi ukudrive. Ngeke nguyeke uyikhiphe sidrive slowly la ngoba kunemoto zizokushayisa, noma ngizothini, ngizokuyisa egroundini, yabo, but ngizoqale nguyise somewhere lapho uzokwazi ukusebenzisa khona imoto. So kufana noGit, udownloadile, uthi muvula akuyise somewhere lapho uzokwazi ukuthi usebenzisane naye uGit. I think that's the best way enga-explaina ngayo. So usavule something njengokuvula i-race track noma i-ground, ukuthi wena uzopracticela la, awukakangisebenzisi but sesifikile la. So njengoba ufikile la, into kumele uyazi, njengoba sisemgwaqeni kune-stop sign, kunamaphoyisa omgwaqo, kunani, which is what I'm teaching you. Ngoba sifikile kwi-command line interface, kunama-commands anjengo-cd, pwd, u-ls. Lama-commands awu-3 engicela uwabambe, right? So mengithi ls, ngibona ama-folders engikuwona, enginawo kule folder engikuyona, ngifuna ifolder yami yomsebenzi, right? So ngizothi cd desktop, ngiyabona udesktop la nami, ngathi yabo ngino 3D object app data app la nginendaba nakho konke lo contact, ngino desktop. Njengoba nalami ngivula ku Scum nawa onke ama-folder, anginendaba nawo wonke ama-folder lawa, enginendaba nayo u-desktop, nangu desktop. Baze bamnike icon e-right, but uyi-folder, there's nothing special about it, ukuthi bamnike isithombe la. Okay, mengena ku-desktop, so nala angibuyeke la, so ngithi desktop, sengingenile. So mengithi ls, shuthi ngifuna ukubona izinto engaphakathi u-desktop. Ukuze ngingene ku-desktop u-cd, ukuze ngibone izinto engaphakathi kuye u-ls. Nangu example folder, NLA help, NLA tutorial, izithombe. So angibukeke la, nangempela example folder, izithombe, NLA help, NLA tutorials. So ngiyabona ukuthi le tool, le command line tool, inginika the same information engisuke ngiyibona kuma-folders ami mengisebenzisa i-app enjengale. Okay, sengithi mina uma une-folder, okay, sesiyayikhanda i-folder, ngizothi new, une-folder enomsebenzi, gama layo umsebenzi wami, okay, fako underscore, khanda i-folder umsebenzi wami, ngiyangena kuyi-folder, ngikhanda i-file, text, sengithi mina my first, ngithi file, and sengino my first file, okay, sengiyabuya la kwi-command line interface yami noma i-command line tool yami, right? Sengithi mina ls ku-desktop, nayi ifolder entsha umsebenzi wami, right? Uyayibona. Okay, sengithi mina cd umsebenzi, engithi cd umsebenzi underscore wami, sengiyangena mase ngithi ls, so list, siyangilistela my first file.txt, right? So ifolder le enomsebenzi wami. Sengifuna-ke manje le folder ibe version controlled. Sesibuyela kulo version control ade sikhuluma ngawo ekuqaleni. Because I want this folder ukuthi ibe version controlled, okusho ukuthi uGit kumele azi ngale folder ukuze ayi-version control. So into yokuqala engiyenzayo ngenza njani? Ngithi git, sengiyambiza ku-git manje. Mase ngithi init, fana nokuthi initialize. Sengimbizile u-git, right? So baze bayasho, initialized empty git repository, iyasho ukuthi bani umsebenzi wami, isi-ede ifolder ethi .git. Shuthi ngenxa ukuthi senginale folder, useyazi uGit ukuthi ngisebenza nayo kanjani, right? uGit useyazi ukuthi uzosebenza kanjani nayo. Right, ngenxa yokuthi ngithe git init ukhandeke le folder, nangempela mengibuya la nayi ifolder yami u.git. Uyabona ingathi ifuna ukunyamalala because inalo dot. Yabo, it's a hidden file. Uma ngingena kuyo noma ungangeni kuyo, but kunezinto eziningi la ehambisana noGit ongamele ube nendaba nazo. Wena okwakho into ebalekile ukwazi ukuthi ifolder yakho ukuze kukhombise ukuthi uyilinke noGit noma utshele uGit ukuthi ngicela wenze i-version control, ngicela manje uzoqala uzokwenza umsebenzi kule folder, kubonakala lokho ngokuthi ube nefolder eno.git. Okay, then ke ngithena-ke one of ama-uses of ithuluzi le-version control. Sasithi ithuluzi le-version control esilaziyo uGit, noma engimnika lona ngithi mina uGit because it's the most used in industry. It is to batheni, ake sibuke la, sithi version control. Okay, message version control, batheni, bathi tracking, managing, safeguarding changes to files over time, particularly whatever, prevent data loss, allow for restoration. Okay, it's a system that creates snapshots of your project. So the part that I'm going to teach now is how do you take a snapshot. Shooting ngufundisa, sengunikile camera, sengiyafundisa ukuthi ushutha kanjani, right? So uGit ngim-initializile, sengizomsebenzisa-ke manje ukuthi ngishuthe, ngithathe i-snapshot. Wenza njani-ke uma ufuna ukuthatha i-snapshot at a point in time of ama-files akho? After you initialize uGit, usuthi git, uthi add, uthi dot, udot umele onke ama-file noma le folder osuke kuyona, uthi yonke into kule folder ngicela ukuyi-edda ku-git, ngithatha i-snapshot, enter. Sengisithathile i-snapshot. So uGit usene-snapshot, ngibona ngani, ngithi mina git, ngithi status, right? So njengamanje ade usanda nakushutha ngecamera yakho, usushuthile ngecamera, usuyayibuka into, angithi usuyayiphendula icamera, uyasibuka isithombe usanda nakushuta. Iyakubuza isithombe ukuthi save obani bani, kodwa uyasibona ukuthi nasi isithombe ngishuthile. Njengoba nami engitshela uGit, mengithi mina git status, uthi uGit kumina awekho ama-commit yet, but now ama-changes to be committed. Shuthi nasi i-snapshot enginaso seyinguquko ozenzile kuma-files akho akule folder esisebenzela kuyo. So bayasho bathi kune-new file, igama layo my first file.txt. Okay, usuthi wena ngi-happy ngale file, so ngicela ungigcinela yona le file Git. Athi uGit, okay, it's not a problem, but ngicela unginike umyalezo othile engizostorisha ngawo le file uma ungithuma ukuthi hambo save. Usuthini? Usuthi git commit -m, so for message, mase uthi mhlawumbe uzothi i-snapshot sami sokuqala, right, enter. So useyasho yanginika i-message back uthi ke sengikhommithile, ungakunaki konke lokho kunye, bayasho ukuthi usikhommithile i-snapshot sami sokuqala, 1 file change, 0 insertion, 0 deletions. Futhi ayikho into engiyidelethile noma engiyishintshile kwi-file phakathi. So create mode, i-file ikhandekile. So bese ngithi manje git status, okay. So git usethini, akukho osakushintshile, shuthi mina lokho engigcine nginakho ukubeke kumina kusayikho. So mengithi mina okay ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi yini le bengiyigcina kuwena, so ngingathi git history, okay, git history. Bekubani esamsebenzisa last week angisakhumbuli yazi. So ngizothi git help.
Ngicela ukuphazamisa sekancane.
Yes.
Awu ade ngithi nje nami la ngiyadlala ngogit kancane. Hey, usunginika ama warning la ufunde yodwa. Ithi warning in the working copy of help desk. Hello world. Kunamathema engingawazi la LF will be replaced by CRLF the next time git touches it.
Yes, that's fine.
It's fine. Oh.
Yeah, that's fine.
Right.
So ugit kunendlela ngizochaza kanjani lento, angifuni ukuconfuse, but it's fine. Bamba ukuthi it's fine for now. Uvumele ukuthi wenze lento from against. Yes, so we can talk about it later. Angifuni ukungibhida, but I'm happy you're playing around with it. So yes. So now musuthi wena ngicela ukubona i-history of izinto esengiyisavile git, uthi git log. So iyangikhombisa ke log ukuthi nasi i-snapshot sami sokuqala ngisenze nini, date inanesikhathi, exactly ngalesikhathi lesi i-order is usikhumbuzo Martina whatever, right? So wena uma ungayibona i-order kweyakho uyongitshela ukuthi wena uyibona i-order enegama lakho, so buye sikulungise lokho. But the most important thing bengufundisa the part of a version control system, le part of taking a snapshot, ilokho besikwenza njengamanje. So ngicela ukuma la, ngicabanga ukuthi I've refined indlela engapresenta ngayo le topic on Monday, ngoba ngani confused more than anything. Ngazama ukukhava izinto eziningi ngesikhathi siyi-1, right? So ikhona imibuzo, ikhona understanding, abantu baya understanda the main point of lento esizama ukuyifunda.
Ngiyabona nani.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a metaphor ukuthi ngibambe lama command ke nami ngibone ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngizokwazi ukubuza into right.
Yeah, ungawagooglisha nama commands, git commands, noma ungathi command line commands singibukela. So angithi say command line is a tool uzifana nokuthi command line imoto before ngufundise wona, before usebenzisa ugit nguyise groundini angithi. So command line ifana ne ground. Ngithi mina command, so wona ngingagooglisha against wona just to find out usebenza kanjani. So command line ngithi nje command line interface, CLI. Terminal or console or shell is a text-based interface used to interact with the computer's operating system, unlike a graphic user interface, GUI, that relies on visual elements and mouse clicks. The command line requires users to input commands as lines of text using a keyboard. So look at the square, it's very straightforward. So command line kuyafana nokusebenzisa i-file explorer yakho, but instead of using a graphical user interface lapho klika khona nge-mouse, i-command line ifuna utype kwi-keyboard. So isikhathi esiningi ke uma wenza software development siyake sipreferishe i-command line ngoba angeke uwathole ngaso sonke isikhathi amathuluzi graphic user interface. To interface or interact, so asenze lo musho lo, the command line, so bathi-ke also known as command line interface. Elinye igama layo terminal, elinye igama layo console, elinye igama layo shell, is a text-based interface used to interact with the computer's operating system. So operating system ye computer yakho uyayazi uWindows yini ama-files akho yini yonke into ekhona ku-computer yakho, it's your operating system. So one way you communicate or to interface or to interact usho ukwenza ama-actions against something is to use njenge-file bani explorer nani but so in this case usuke usebenzisa i-text imbhalo to interface. So sengingathi mina command line commands. Right. So i-command line iyinto eyodwa eceleni, right? Iyinto eyodwa. So uma ngivula la, naku for example cd directory name, so uthi cd usuke ungena kwi-directory. Uma uthi cd ... it moves up a level. So ngenza isibonelo la, angithi ngiku-pwd, muthi u-desktop umsebenzi wami, uma ngithi cd mase ngithi ... ngithi sibuyele emuva. So mengithi manje pwd, suyabona angisekho inside umsebenzi wami, sengiku-desktop kuphela, right? So bachaza lokho. So izinto ongayiguglisha zonke lezi ngokuhluka kwazi ukuthi okay, command line commands. So sengithi-ke okay, sengibabonile ama-command line command, mase ngithi git commands, right? So ugit wona, so bese ngiza la, so nangu kuno git clone, asikakafiki ugit clone, kuno git add, angithi, so add a specific file to a staging area. Nkosi yami, ngikhuluma kangaka ngisasharisha iscreen. Anisho ngani?
Kumele ukuvala cha.
Hey, hayi asiyeke kodwa-ke bengikhulume ngo-cd
leso lokho
nisekhona?
Yebo.
ukukhuluma vele bengena on your PWD.
Ngiyakuzwa. So OPWD no CD bani izinto oyithola muthi command line commands, bakunike ambalwa ufunde ngawo, and then no git commands ukuthi okay, imoto ke manje uyidriver kanjani la egroundini, ugit isebenza kanjani naye, namanye ama-commands akho ungafunda ngawo. So ngizocela ukuvala la iclass la namuhla. Baba Nomandla nikhona, Mantshinga nikhona?
Sisa network namuhla.
Hayi, nizoyithola ivideo le.
Ayona network ayisihlupha, hayi. Ihlupha ngisho thina namhlanje.
Hayi yahlupha ngempela, ngazi kwenzakalani namuhla. Sengisizwa ifoni, ngize nga-hotspot efonini nje kodwa i-Wi-Fi yala ayisebenzi. But asethemba i-recording ibambe yonke into and then so-sharisha ke ku-YouTube.
Yebo siyabonga mina.
Alright, ngiyabonga abantu abayopractice, asibonane Monday.
Yebo sir.
Right. Monday njalo abantu bazosharisha, ngibona ukuthi bahambe bafika phi. Ngeke ngiqhubeke ningakenzi.
Ukushare.
Please ngoba ngeke ngikwazi ukuqhubeka ningakenzi umuntu engenayo ugate enga-initializanga kwi-folder yakhe.
Ayezwakala sir.
Alright, sibonane Monday. Thank you.